Another way to cultivate human relationships in preparing for eventual or possible times of difficulty, do not avoid being needed by others. Huwag yung ayaw mong paistorbo, masyado kang aloof, takot na takot ka na makipagkaibigan, makipagpalagayang loob dahil ayaw mong maabala. Proverbs 11:25, a generous man will prosper. He who refreshes others will himself be refreshed. Ang mga nagbibigay ng kapahingahan, tulong sa iba, sila man ay tatanggap ng ganitong kapahingahan at tulong. Ang mapagbigay daw na tao, siya itong pagpapalain at pararamihin ang kanyang mga tinatangkilik. So do not avoid being needed and do not deny needing others. Do not deny that. Only the truly proud and those who are having illusions about their own strength will deny that they need other people. Usually, defense mechanism lang yon sa takot na maiwan, masaktan, mabigo. Kunwari na lang, they don't need people. But people need people.